Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and today we're doing a kind of similar video that I've done in the past, but I thought it would be super fun and just different of me to do this type of video. As you can tell by the title, I am doing a what's in my bag edition, but I'm actually doing a mini bag. So mini bags are all the craze right now. Obviously everyone is wearing mini bags, so I thought it would be fun to do a what's in my bag with my mini bag. So I've most recently just been delving more into the mini bags, and so because of that I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a what's in my bag and what we can fit in these bags, because a lot of people are like wondering. I've gotten numerous comments while I'm out in public, like what can you even fit in this bag? So this is the bag that I'm doing. This is my Louis Vuitton Vanity PM bag. I got it I think I got this around Mother's Day, if not just before Mother's Day. This is the bag, and so I am just going to be showing you guys what I fit in my bag, which I think is very interesting. So if that's something that you're interested in, take the time out now to get your popcorn, and we're going to get into it. So before we jump right into it though, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Subscribe is the most important. And then I also want you to hit a like for your girl, because like I said before in previous videos, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm almost there, y'all. So this is all thanks to you. Give yourselves some clapping, some pats on the back, because we almost made it, girls. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what I carry in my bag. Okay, so this is the front of the bag. Y'all know this actually right now is pretty heavy because we have a whole lot of stuff in it, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this is what it looks like once it's all opened. Okay, it's pretty much like this, and the top does not come off. So this is what it looks like. And so first and foremost, one of the first items that I have in here is obviously my phone. So ironically, I just got the iPhone 12 right before they announced that the 13 was coming out. But normally I always get the Pro Max, or whatever it's called, the biggest one. I always get that. But this time I was like, you know what? I actually don't want that. I can fit this in my bag comfortably, and I'm pretty sure you can do that with a lot of the other mini bags that are being sold, from like Balenciaga to the, I think it's Jacquemus bags, the YSL bags that are mini, just all of them. I feel like you would be able to fit the regular sized iPhone inside your bag. So obviously it's the first thing that I have. Next I have my good old vaccination card. That's just for me, you know, nothing against anybody who is not vaccinated, but I have like a cute little plastic cover on top of it so that I can keep it from, you know, stuff gets bent up in your purse, so it won't get wet or anything with that. But this is like a good sized plastic case, and it fits perfectly just in the back of my bag. So I got that. Additionally, I also have 2 masks, one for me, one for my son, just for emergency. I always keep them and I always go out with it on, but you just know sometimes things don't always go as planned, so I always keep an extra inside my bag. Next, obviously, I have my wallet, which is pretty thick. I have 1 trillion cards and different things, gift cards and everything in here. This is the Marc Jacobs one. I don't know which one it is. I can try to find out which one it is, but it's like a small size. It fits in the palm of my hand, and I have change and everything in here, and this fits perfectly inside this bag. Then I also have my Henry Bendel card. It's like a card holder. I have that in there, and this just has more gift cards because I get a ton of them all the time from work and family, and then my son gets them, so I keep his in here too. So if he wants to use anything when we're out, I have them. So the last couple of things I like, and these are all just, to me, just essentials. I have my mini perfume that you guys know I like by the brand Clean. I keep this one on me because I just feel like it's perfect for like any occasion. And then I have 2 different sets of lip gloss. So I have the one that I have on now, which is a gloss. I have this one. It's the MAC Dangerous Curve. Obviously this is little. It can just fit right in there. And then I also have another nude, but it's a matte nude, Unveil from Fenty. And this also can fit perfectly in there. And then I also have my AirPod Pros that go in there. And typically I always have my little photo clicker. So if my son and I are out, or I'm out and I want to take a quick picture for you guys for my Instagram, I have that in there as well. But I had it in my hand a few days ago and I dropped it and I forget, so I took it out to put it, to try to fix it. So but typically that is in here as well. Like I said, this video is going to be super quick. I will try to find the link if anyone wants it to this vaccine card holder. It's definitely from Amazon. Actually, I think my sister ordered it for me, so I will get it from her. But like you can see, I'm actually putting everything back in here right now, and it fits in perfectly. So here are my masks, and then my glosses, and then my phone goes right on top. And there you have it. That is everything that I keep in my mini bag. Now, I typically have a mini hand sanitizer as well, but I just ran out of that too, so that also can fit in here. And there you go. That is what I keep in my bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick, but if you were ever wondering, if you were skeptical about buying a mini bag, or you feel like it's not for you, because I personally did, just know, for us girls that bring out the whole kitchen and kitchen sink in our purses, this one is, the mini bags, they actually are functional too, okay? They are. So thank you for watching, and